Hi everyone, this is Yojna Jain back with a series of performance testing. Today we will talk about the capacity testing and scalability testing. Capacity testing is all about finding the maximum amount of load a server can handle it without degrading the performance. Here we need to check the upper limit of our system, like maximum number of users supported by the system and the resource utilization at capacity. In this you need to make sure that response time is not increasing too much. Think about the current response time of your web page is a 2 second. Then when you are increasing the load on the server, it should not go more than 3 seconds. Like if it goes to 5 seconds, then your capacity is not for handling the 5 seconds response time. You want the user experience to be smooth. So go up to maximum 3 seconds only. Yeah. Scalability testing. Scalability testing is all about knowing the how well a system can scale it when increasing or decreasing the users on the servers. Like utilizing your server capacity fully means it should not charge extra or to not charge too low. Like we need to find out if suddenly peak hours are there, is my system able to scale by itself or no? So in this, you need to make sure that you are sending the 1000 users, concurrent users in the starting, then moving forward to 5000, 10,000, 50,000, and 1 lakh, and find out what is the response time, the concurrent users a system can handle it, and the maximum capacity we are giving to our servers, the scalability, and when the users comes down, the degradation of the servers and all needs to be verified over here. Thank you guys. We will meet again tomorrow.